like over the walls and everything. 2026 is when that Fast and Furious coaster is due to open here, so it'll be really interesting to see what it's like. It looks like it's going to twist, turn and everything, so very excited for the future here in Universal Studios Hollywood. So what you can see there is the Fast and Furious construction that is currently taking place. It's not due to open until 2026 now, but yeah, they're slowly getting on with it, as you can see. A nice bit of a wind machine right there. And you get great views of it as you go up the 4 escalators here as well, back up to the upper loft.